In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade a Cloudways server. If you've ever scaled a server up during a busy season and then realized you're paying for more resources than you currently need, this, this process is exactly what you need. In Cloudways, you can usually scale up directly, but scaling down works differently. That's because the server disk size can't simply be reduced after expansion without risking problems. So instead of shrinking the existing server, the safe method is to clone it onto a smaller server. Update your DNS and then remove the old one. Start by logging into your Cloudways dashboard and opening the servers tab so you can see all of your active servers. Find the server you want to downgrade, then click the three-dot menu on the right side of that server and choose Clone Server. A setup window will appear. Here, select your cloud provider, choose a smaller server size using the available sizing options. Pick the data center region you want, and then launch the new server. Cloudways will begin building a fresh copy of your environment in the background. This usually takes around 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the size of your setup. Once the new server is fully online, open it and go to the Master Credentials section. Here, locate the public IP address for the new server and copy it. You'll need that in the next part. Now open a new browser tab and log into your domain registrar or DNS management provider. Go to your domain's DNS settings and find the A record for your main domain, usually shown as the @ symbol. Edit that record and replace the old server IP with the new public IP you just copied. Save the change. If your WWE version also uses an A record, update that one too, so both versions point to the smaller server. A helpful tip here is to use a DNS propagation checker to monitor when the new IP starts resolving globally. After that, head back to Cloudways, open the application section, and select the app running on your new server. In domain management, confirm that your primary domain is mapped correctly. Then check the SSL certificate section. If the certificate didn't carry over properly or the site shows HTTPS issues after the move, reinstall the SSL certificate using your domain and the appropriate email address. Before deleting anything, do one final review. Test the website in an incognito window, make sure files and databases are working as expected, and confirm traffic is reaching the new server. Once you're confident everything is correct, return to the old server in Cloudways, open its options, and choose Delete Server. Complete the confirmation prompt to remove it and stop unnecessary billing. And that's it. You've successfully downgraded your Cloudways server safely and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.